Hi, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and we're here today to do another unboxing video. Okay. I have no clue what this is, so we're going to open it up and find out. There we go. Oh, look at this. Okay. We have a big box with one item inside of it. This is the self-picture monopod from Yuntang. I'm not sure I said that right. But it's for a GoPro Hero 4 3 Plus 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is going to be fun. Let's see what else we got. I know. Oops. It's the GoPro in this. That would be a surprise. I don't know what I'd like to have better, a GoPro or a drone. Well, I have two small drones, but I'd like to have one of those really big ones. Oh, look at this. This is for making pizza. This is a Blue dough docker roller tool. So I'm interested to see how that's going to work. And we also have, we have an Blue pastry scraper and cutter, which I thought would be very helpful. Believe it or not, I did not already have one of these. So that's what that looks like. Very nice item. Will come in very handy. And I guess I'll put my carpet knife up before I reach down there and cut myself. Okay. Oh, I put it away too soon. I do not like these envelopes. They are really, really hard to open. So let's see what's inside. Oh! Oh! Well, this is a surprise. This is an eyewear holder with loops and clips. Let's open that up. And a card. Okay. This is very nicely packed. Oh, look at that. That is really, really pretty. I like that. Okay. So I'm going to put this back in here and tie it back. And we got a card. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Alrighty. Ah, and this is just a little bit of information about this. So that's very nice. All right. Last item. Okay. Ah, there we go. It's like Christmas here every day. This is, oh yes, this is my new iWatch case. What do you guys think about that? This is a fashion case that protects the iWatch. Let me see if I can get it out of there. Look at that. And it's flexible. Look at this. Okay. All right. Well, I will be reviewing this as well. So, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed my videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's right below. I did forget to go back through everything, so this is the iWatch protector. This is the pastry cutter. This is the dough docker. This is the eyewear holder. And this is a self-picture monopod for the GoPro and mobile phones. You can see all my reviews on Amazon.com under my name, and you can also read reviews and other blog posts on my blog, experimentalhomesteader.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.